Wealth begins in the mind. Change your thoughts, and you change your financial destiny. Neville Goddard. The law of attraction, often linked to the New Thought movement, has been a transformative philosophy for those seeking wealth and success. At its core, the law of attraction suggests that like attracts like, and that what we focus on mentally becomes our reality. When we get into this concept with the goal of generating wealth, it's not just about thinking positively, but about intentionally aligning our mindset with the vibration of abundance. To start, let's break down what it really means to attract money into your life using this principle. You may have heard the phrase, "thoughts become things." This idea is simple yet profound. The way you think about money shapes your financial situation. If you constantly worry about not having enough, you're creating an environment where scarcity becomes your norm. On the other hand, when you focus on the feeling of already having wealth, whether it's through visualizing success or practicing gratitude for the money you do have, you begin to attract more of it. But this process goes deeper than just thinking about wealth. It's about shifting your entire belief system around money. Many people, often unconsciously, hold negative beliefs about wealth, whether it's that money is the root of all evil or that financial success is only for a lucky few. These limiting beliefs create a barrier between you and your financial goals. The law of attraction requires that you not only change your thoughts, but also dissolve these deep-seated beliefs that keep you from experiencing true abundance. To make money using this formula, you need to understand that your emotional state plays a significant role in your success. Feelings of gratitude, excitement, and confidence attract financial opportunities because they align with the energy of abundance. If you are constantly feeling stressed, anxious, or fearful about money, you're sending out a signal that keeps wealth at bay. This is why practicing gratitude is often emphasized in the New Thought philosophy. When you are thankful for what you have, no matter how small, you invite more of it into your life. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance. One key element in using the law of attraction for wealth is visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to experience your desired future as if it's already happening. When you vividly imagine yourself living the life you want, whether that's driving your dream car, living in a beautiful home, or having financial freedom, you activate the same mental and emotional states that would occur if those things were already real. This creates a powerful signal to the universe, which begins to bring those experiences into your reality. However, it's not enough to just sit back and visualize. Action is a critical component of this formula. While your thoughts and emotions create the blueprint, your actions bring the plan to life. The law of attraction doesn't mean you'll simply wake up to find money in your bank account. Instead, it aligns you with opportunities, ideas, and connections that lead to financial success. Once you start aligning your mindset with wealth, you'll notice that doors begin to open, but you must walk through them. This means following through on ideas, taking calculated risks, and being proactive about seizing opportunities. A major part of this formula is maintaining a mindset of growth. Many people reach a certain level of financial success and then plateau because they've hit their mental limit of what they believe they can achieve. But wealth is limitless if you continue to expand your beliefs. To break through these mental barriers, it's essential to continuously affirm that there is always more. More money, more opportunities, more success. When you keep your mind open to growth, you'll find that wealth flows to you more easily and consistently. An often overlooked aspect of the law of attraction is the need to detach from the outcome. This may sound counterintuitive, but when you're too attached to a specific financial result, it can create a sense of desperation or lack. Instead, focus on the process. Trust that your efforts are aligning with the universe, and let go of how and when the money will come. When you detach from the need for immediate results, you allow the universe to bring wealth into your life in ways you may not have expected. This openness invites new and unexpected opportunities that can lead to financial gain. The New Thought movement also emphasizes the importance of giving as a way to attract money. This isn't just about charitable donations, though that's one way to give. It's about having a mindset of abundance and generosity. When you give freely, whether it's your time, energy, or resources, you affirm that you have enough to share, which in turn attracts more abundance into your life. The act of giving signals to the universe that you are not operating from a place of scarcity, but from a place of overflow. It's important to note that while the law of attraction can be a powerful tool for creating wealth, it doesn't work in isolation. You need to combine these mental and emotional practices with practical financial habits. This means budgeting, saving, investing, and learning about how money works. The more you understand the practical side of money, the easier it will be to attract more of it into your life. The key is to approach your finances with a sense of empowerment rather than fear. When it comes to using the law of attraction for financial success, one of the key aspects is understanding the power of your words. The way you speak about money, whether aloud or in your mind, plays a significant role in shaping your financial reality. Many people unknowingly sabotage their financial potential by constantly speaking words of lack or limitation like, "I can't afford this," or "I never have enough." These statements reinforce a mindset of scarcity, and as a result, they attract more experiences that reflect that lack. Instead, if you want to create a life filled with abundance, it's essential to start speaking as though financial success is already part of your reality. Affirmations are a powerful tool in this process. By regularly affirming statements like, "I am open to receiving wealth in all forms," or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly," you begin to rewire your brain and shift your energy toward abundance. The more consistently you use these affirmations, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious, and over time, they start to shape your external reality. The language you use acts as a signal to the universe, letting it know what you expect to receive. To overcome these internal barriers, it's essential to examine your relationship with money and rewrite the story you tell yourself about wealth. This involves identifying any limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering thoughts. For instance, instead of seeing money as something that only certain people are lucky enough to have, start viewing it as a resource that's available to anyone who aligns themselves with the vibration of abundance. Changing your perspective in this way opens you up to new opportunities and allows you to attract money with greater ease. In summary, the ultimate money-making formula using the law of attraction involves a combination of mindset, emotions, and actions. It starts with shifting your beliefs about money and adopting a mindset of abundance. From there, it's about using tools like visualization, gratitude, and detachment to align yourself with financial success. Coupled with practical actions and a growth-oriented mindset, this approach can lead to significant financial breakthroughs. The universe is always responding to the energy you put out. When you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with abundance, you create a powerful force that attracts wealth and success into your life. The key is to stay consistent, keep expanding your vision, and trust the process. Wealth is within your reach, and with the law of attraction, you can unlock the doors to financial freedom and success. As we wrap up, it's essential to recognize the immense potential you have to create wealth by shifting your mindset and thinking about the principles of the law of attraction. Your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are the foundation upon which your financial future is built. By consistently focusing on abundance, taking inspired action, and trusting that opportunities will come, you can manifest the financial freedom and success you've always desired. Before you go, if this content has been helpful or sparked new ideas about how you can approach wealth and success, please give this video a thumbs up. A simple click on the like button helps others discover this information and could be the key to unlocking someone else's financial future. If you're interested in learning more about how you can apply these techniques in your daily life, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with more insightful videos that will continue to provide valuable guidance on mastering the law of attraction and creating lasting financial success. Feel free to share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit from it. You never know whose life could be changed by hearing these ideas, and you could be the person who introduces them to a new way of thinking about money and abundance. If you're already a subscriber, consider hitting the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. This way, you can stay up to date with fresh content, tips, and strategies that will help you stay aligned with your goals. And of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment below sharing your insights, how you're using the law of attraction in your life, or if there's a specific topic you'd like to see covered in future videos. By liking, subscribing, sharing, turning on notifications, and engaging with this content, you're taking small but powerful actions that align you with the wealth and success you're seeking. Together, we can explore more about how to attract abundance and manifest the financial life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for being here, and let's continue growing and attracting success into our lives.